Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today I'm going to be reviewing a couple of Morphe products for you guys that I used to create this look here. I had so much fun creating this look. I think you guys will really enjoy it, and yeah, I think I'm going to stop talking now, because I just want to see, I want you guys to see how I created this really fun summery look. You know, Corona may have canceled summer, but we are still going to be out here. We're still going to be cute even if we're at home and in our backyards. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. But before all of that happens, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We're in quarantine. You ain't got nothing else to do. Go ahead, click that subscribe button, as well as give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you like this look. What are you doing during quarantine? You know, let me know, talk to me, and be sure to follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _it's_Gilly. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so to begin today's look, I've already primed my eyes using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. I really can't wait till my P. Louise base gets here, because I like this, but I just think the P. Louise base might be better. I did order that because, you know, quarantine just means buying a bunch of crap. So yeah, let's get into this palette here. This is the 24A Artist Pass Artistry palette in collaboration with Morphe and Saweetie. The box is really cute and like super colorful. Love that. I ordered a couple things from Morphe and they took a long time to get to me. I was really upset, but this palette is like so worth it. It's so gorgeous. It's nice and big, skinny and whatnot, and it does come with a really nice mirror. So that little thing just fell out, but this is what the colors look like. There's a lot of variety, and this whole bottom row is basically like pressed glitters, and they are super pigmented. I love them. And so is this like middle-ish row. It's kind of like highlighter-esque stuff, I don't know, but it's really cute. This palette is really nice. I literally can't remember how much this retails for, so it'll pop up somewhere on the screen, but this is what we're going to be playing with today. As well as I got the Morphe Glambronzer, and I got it in the shade Phenom. This thing is like the size of my head. It's massive. I think this is $19, but right now it's on sale for like 10 bucks on the Morphe website, because I just ordered something else and, well, you know, I looked. So this is what she looks like. It's huge, super pigmented. I did a couple swatches of it. It's really nice, and it also comes with a really nice mirror as well. Love when products have mirrors. And I also got that new Morphe mattifying continuous mist setting spray. I like the original one they came out with, and of course, like, I have super oily skin, so I said let me get the matte one. I've only used this once. It was good, but it did leave like little white dots on my face, so I figured out like you could fix it by just using your sponge right after you spray it on your face and just, you know, give it a good little dab. So these are the products we're going to be playing with in today's video. So like, let's get started, because I've just been rambling on for a while now. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to jump into this shade here called Desert Vibes. It's kind of like a nice orangey, burnt orangey shade. And we're just going to go right ahead and put that into our crease. That's really cute. Not sure if you guys can see this, but I am getting just like a little bit of kickback from the palette. Nothing like bothersome. You could just like blow it away. But just in case you're wondering, there is a little bit of kickback. But so far, the shade is really nice, and it blended out like a dream. So we're just going to move on to this next shade called Security. Ooh, Security. So I'm just going to darken my crease with this shade here called Seek Shade. Okay, so we're doing like a cut crease today, and I'm going to cut my crease using this eye primer again from ABH. So, crease has been cut, and now we're just going to start going in. I'm going to do purple, blue, green, yellow. It's gonna be a thing. We'll see. I saw some girl do this, so hopefully I can do it too. The purple in here is called Major Inspo. That's cute. So this is what our eyes are currently looking like. Super, super cute. I'm just going to go ahead and give it a little more zhuzh and outline it with some white eyeliner. And then we're going to put our lashes on. I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera and come back to show you guys the bronzer and the spray. So I'm just going to quickly finish my under eye. I'm going to go ahead and go in with this shade Security and the shade Seek shade to just blend out underneath my bottom lash line. Now I'm just going to add some bottom mascara using the Bad Gal Bang Benefit mascara. Love this for under eye mascara. It's like insanely amazing. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and contour just a little bit with some cream contour. This is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and this is the shade Rich Ebony. Super cute to contour with, actually. So now we're going to go into the Morphe bronzer, and as I mentioned earlier, I did get the shade Phenom. This is quite pigmented, so I'm going to go in really lightly. Wow, this is super, super cute. I have actually been like a total bronzer slore these days, and I love this. Wow, that is really, really nice. I look super radiant and ready for summer. That is not going to happen. But let me stop talking because I'm gonna get sad. We're just gonna go ahead and highlight. I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Crown of My Canopy. This is one of my absolute favorite highlighters. Okay, so lastly we're gonna go in with lips. I'm gonna be going in with this ColourPop BFF4 liner from the Shayla collection, and then I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Honey. That is absolutely like my literal favorite lip combo. I just think it's perfect. So let me finish myself. Oh, sorry. Last thing is we're going to be doing a little bit of spray. We're going to use this mattifying continuous setting mist from Morphe, and it does come in their iconic like hairspray looking bottle, which I really like and think is really cute. We're just going to give a little spray. And then, as I told you guys, this does tend to leave some white streaks. So I just quickly go in with, you see there goes one right there, with my beauty blender. And just, you know, give it a little dab. Make sure it gets in there. I feel like all mattifying setting sprays do this. So like, that's why I'm not that bothered. But I do think that it is really, really, really satisfying. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look of the day. I absolutely love it. First and foremost, this bronzer is amazing. If you don't have it, you really need to get it, and it's on sale right now. There's a lot of shades. It actually goes really, really deep because Phenom is like the third to last shade. So if you're like a chocolate girl looking for a real cute bronzer, you probably will find your shade in this collection. So shout out to Morphe for actually coming out with colors for the, you know, the chocolate girls out there. I really, really like the setting spray. I do wish it didn't leave the little like white spots, but you know, that's easily taken care of, so I'm not gonna be that upset about it. I think it's a great spray. I liked it just like I liked the original one. So yes to this, must have. And lastly, I think the star of the show really is this palette that Saweetie created. I think that I used all the mattes today, and the mattes were really, really great. Like, of course you get a little bit of kickback and all that stuff and fallout, but if it's a really good eyeshadow, I'm really learning that it's gonna have just those little problems because it's just the way they're formulated. But I really, really like this look. Like, I thought it came out really, really great. And I created it using this entire palette. This definitely has range. Like, there's just so much you could do with this palette. If you're like Caribbean and you're really into like carnival or like festivals and stuff like that, this palette would definitely be amazing because there's just so many shades to work with in here. So I highly recommend this palette and think everyone should get it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me today with this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's look. I'm actually obsessed with it. I think that it goes just like kind of really well with my whole haircut and these lashes. I don't know, I'm really feeling this, if you guys couldn't tell. So yeah, without further ado, that's gonna be the end of today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But before we leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter, and give this video a like and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.